in the kitchen with Cheryl and Stephanie.
Okay.
We're going to make this.
Whatever this is.
Yum yum in my tum tum.
Oh, that's big.
Okay, so Cheryl has a plate over here. Right there, I see it.
Potato. I mean,
This is beef and a
course.
carrot. Now,
It's a really little carrot.
Cheryl would like some more carrots.
Yeah, I
So
want
we're going
more carrots.
to go fishing for
Fishing
carrot.
for the carrots. Get the
Look at the
carrots.
carrot. Oh, we got a carrot.
Oh, it's a big one.
Plop onto the plate.
Please grind them. Look. Wait. You?
Dice
I'll
the
show
carrot.
you. I'll show you. This is how they do it.
And the carrot. Don't chop your fingers off. Dice
Okay.
the carrot. Okay, so we go back into the bowl. And we go searching for carrots. Would you like some cabbage?
We don't want cabbage. Cabbage is nasty.
No cabbage. So we go back.
cabbage.
Carrot. Oh, it's
Oh no, it came apart.
new one. Got it. Winner.
Got it.
Oh crap. And this is the award-winning meal. Credits by us.
Yeah.
Okay.